Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. It's Friday, January 9th, 2026. I will be trading Robinhood, ticker HOOD, on a 1-minute chart. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. All right, the stop hit 922. Yeah, in the trade 905, so 17 minutes. Let's recap. So the red line is the high of yesterday. So we broke it, held here, but no, it fell on the retest, breaking this mini channel. I was waiting for a bearish pattern after it held under the high, like this one. It had room to the low, but since I had this in, probably react to it. Yeah, I should never remove this line from here. I don't know why I did, but anyways, I just thought it would have room to retest the low, but apparently it didn't. So I was wrong on that and deleting this trend line because this was a channel, a wedge, a flag, whatever channel broke and retest. But since it got inside, I thought it was not going to react to it, but I should never remove this line because if it reacts to this, that means it's obvious gonna bounce here. But you know, it's a game of probabilities. That's how this works. So that's the trade for today. I took the setup according to my plan, accept the risk, and the market didn't agree. So I shouldn't remove this. Was a mistake, but the pattern's still correct because it held under the high here and had room to this. So I just removed this line, ignore it, I guess. And the loss doesn't mean the trade was wrong. It just means the outcome wasn't in my control. What matters is that I follow my rules and didn't try to make it back. I'll review this and reset and come back tomorrow, focus on the same. I'll come back on Monday with focus on execution, not revenge. And remember, always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.